I attended St. Louis University Law School in the late 70s. My prior education, I was a graduate of Northeast Missouri State University, now known as Truman State University. For the last 13 years, I served on the 22nd Judicial Circuit Court from 2011 to 2024. Prior to that, I worked for the Missouri Attorney General's office for almost 9 years. And then in 2000, I was appointed an associate circuit judge in the 11th Judicial Circuit, which is St. Charles County. So it's the type of cases and the opportunity to be in this type of courtroom was really attractive to me. I also had the opportunity to come to know judges that were already on the bench and that were on the bench at the time that I sought to be appointed. And being around those quality of judges and learning from those judges was also an attraction. My philosophy developed that I wanted the attorneys to have the opportunity to try their case the way they saw best to try their case and not interfere, and provide them, the attorneys and the litigants, a forum that they could get into and get their problems and issues resolved without me as a judge furthering their problems by interfering with their case, by being not punctual in moving their case. So I don't think my philosophy once developed ever changed. Well, the cases that I remember most, State of Missouri versus Eric Greitens. As far as judicial philosophy, I do not talk with attorneys in chambers. All my discussion with attorneys are on the bench. In the Greitens case, I decided from day one to have everything on the bench and on the record, meaning the court reporter's taken everything down that was said. As it developed, that was very beneficial in things that happened in the case and outside of the case later on. I was very proud that to receive the letters that I did. I was receiving letters from seated judges, from retired judges, from federal judges, commending the way the case was being handled. And in the time of uncertainty, which judges always have, uncertainty as to whether or not what you're doing is the way to do it. This is the first time a seated governor ever was indicted in Missouri. I gained strength from those letters that I received from judges that I respected and that really knew what they were talking about.